How to fix DoorDash DashPass charge after cancellation. Here, the very first thing you want to do is check your subscription status. For that, you can get to the DoorDash application, and then from here, simply get to your account. So simply tap on your profile icon on the top right, where you'll be able to manage the DashPass that you'll be able to see in the current membership status. Tap on that Manage DashPass, and then you can find your cancellation confirmation email or a screenshot showing your cancellation prior to renewal date. So, of course, you need to gather proof for that. If you do not find, or if you cannot find your email, then I'm pretty sure you never actually canceled your DoorDash DashPass. So after doing that, you can submit the report request, open the application again, get to the account where you'll be able to see help, and get to the DashPass issues, where you can initiate a live chat, provide proof of cancellation, and request a full refund for the unauthorized charge. And I'm pretty sure that way you'll be able to fix your DoorDash DashPass charge after cancellation.